Hi everybody, the talk at the moment is all about California Ocean because obviously production of the current model is going to be finishing very shortly, but there's lots and lots of vehicles out and coming through. So as I said in plenty of videos before, this is your kind of last chance to get this type of vehicle as a new vehicle. Come over to Liverpool this morning and this has just appeared in the showroom, so I thought we'd do a quick walk around and video about it. And one particular thing is it's silver, Reflex Silver. Not seen one in this colour for a while. Silver used to be hugely popular years and years ago, lots and lots of people looking at it. But we don't do so many now. Not quite sure why that is. Let us know in the comments box below what you think after the video of the colour combination that's in here. I've always been a huge fan of silver actually. I quite like it, especially with that combination between the dark and the light that's on the vehicle as well. So talk a little bit more about the transition of this current California to the new California. But as I said, you know, this one as well is now is the time if you are going to get one and you've been looking for a while. Is definitely now is the time to do it. Obviously production is a limited number that's left, but it's still going through. There's going to be lots of them available. Going to be lots of them with us here as well, so that you can have a look at before the end of production. But as I said, you know, if you want this particular one, because the new California is very, very different between here. So you know, and obviously we've had a look at differences between them. Hopefully we're going to have a look at the new California in the not too distant future. Fingers crossed, obviously get to have a look at that and pull over there as well and give you those benefits for it. But for the moment, this is what we're used to. This is what all the fuss is about. And lots of comments about people obviously looking for, you know, that want this vehicle, want the T6.1 that's in here, and they want to change it. So now is probably the time to change it. If you've got an older one and you want to grab one of the last ones that's coming out, got a few customers who are doing that now, have decided that actually they're going to upgrade now and get the last of the line of this particular one and change it from there as well. So let us know what you're doing in the comments box below. Let us know if you're thinking of changing, if you're not changing, etc. But let's jump into it. Let's have a look around it. So this is pretty much a standard T6.1 Ocean, but as I said, it's in the Reflex Silver paint that's on the top of on here. And we've got the Woodstock alloys. Now these are an upgrade, the Woodstock alloys. They're a free upgrade, so they don't cost anything. I particularly like these wheels. Pretty much everything we have for stock, I order with these wheels. I just think it just sets the vehicle off. So as I said, I quite like the Reflex Silver because it gives you that contrasting colour choice. So obviously with your black, you know, and your silver, then the bi-colour alloys then as well. I just think it's quite nice. And then everything else is as we would normally expect to see in the vehicle. And again, you know, I think it's quite nice because a lot of the silver touches that you've got in the vehicle are also in things like your cabinets. So where you've got your chrome sections here on the side, but there's things that's a combination from inside and outside. I think it works quite well. So I've opened all the windows now. This obviously has got the pan roof because that's standard, a little bit more light into the vehicle. But as you can see, so and obviously we've got privacy glass on the outside. So if I shut the door, you can start to see the differences between here, your Ocean badge on the back as well. I just think it looks really nice with this combination of the silver and the black. So this vehicle has only got two options up and above the standard specification. Comfort mattress. You know my feelings on comfort mattress, pretty much a must I think that's on here as well. And then it's also got the outdoor shower connection on the back as well. Not a huge option, both of those two options, not a huge amount of money. As I said, the shower one, we spoke about this before as well, it's for, you know, doing your shoes and things like that off the beach, washing your dog down if you've got pets and things like that as well. That's on there. I mean, you can, you know, put it underneath it, but it's obviously only cold water that's there. But it's a nice, relatively non-cost option to put it on. Very difficult to do it afterwards, so it's quite a good one for on there as well. But as I said, with the comfort mattress as well. Lots of options, done videos before and all those options, check those videos out as well. They can talk you through what we think is needed, essential that's in there. But pretty much I think for an Ocean, as long as you've got this, you're away really. The other things are just niceties that you could add and add them to them. And then on this side of the vehicle, we can really see the differences here. So taking from the wheels, the caps, the badge, the windows are on here. We're back up to the top with our black rail here and our darker canvas roof section that's in on here as well. So I just think it looks really nice. And then we've got the California badge in the black and the chrome on the front as well that's there. And then obviously things like on the front, we've got our LEDs, which are standard on the vehicle. Got our parking sensors, which come round. So just really, really good vehicle. I do like it in this colour. As I said, let us know in the comments box below what you think, whether you like the colour that's on it. Would you have a silver one now? Obviously, we've seen lots of other different colours that we've had within the range as well. That's it for today. Just had a quick look at the vehicle behind us. We've got lots of more video content coming up for you shortly. So if you don't subscribe, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and then you'll know whenever we upload something else. And we'll see you next time.